Hi, my name is Cassandra Scove. I teach third grade reading in Texas. Welcome to my channel where I like to share books and hopefully help other people find books that they like. This year I realized I had a bunch of kids who loved thrillers and mysteries, and I have some mysteries, but not like ghost stories and like scary stories in my classroom. So it's not kind of my thing, so I started trying to read more and more, and I started with Mary Downing Hahn. And I've done a video on a couple of her books, and I picked up this one. We went to Half Price Books, and I found this one, The Girl in the Locked Room by Mary Downing Hahn, and I couldn't put it down. Like I had to figure out why she was in the room and why she was locked there and how she got there, and is she going to get out, and what's going to happen when she gets out. So it's a story of this little girl, Lily. They live in the 1800s. And something happens and she gets locked in this room, and she's there for 100 years. And this girl, Jules, her dad renovates old houses. And so they move from town to town so he can renovate these old houses. And they come to this house, and she knows instantly something is wrong. Like, she can feel it. She's like, something is wrong. And she starts to see glimpses of Lily. And Lily doesn't quite know why she's seeing this girl, and Lily has forgotten who she is because she's been there for so long. And some other like creepy things go on with her being there in that room for 100 years, and you really kind of go, okay, she's got to get out of this room, but what's going to happen when she gets out of this room, and how are they going to help her? But they know Jules meets a friend in town, Maisie, and Maisie believes her because nobody believes her. Her family does not believe her that she sees this little girl. But Maisie believes her, and her and Maisie decide they're going to try to help Lily. And it's such a great story. Like, we had to order fast food because I had to read the whole thing. It's not a very long book, so it's great for young readers. It's not too scary, but don't read it. Don't let you might not want to read it before you go to bed, because I couldn't go to bed till I finished it and found out what happened to Lily. So check it out at your local bookstore or library. Mary Downing Hahn did not disappoint again, and definitely kept me on the edge of my seat. The Girl in the Locked Room. If you like thrillers, try it. And if you have another author that you like that has thrillers, I would love to know it in the comments, because I'm trying to grow that part of my classroom library. Thank you so much for coming today. Have a wonderful day.